Whether it's hot outside or raining like today, it's always good to eat a fresh salad. Sawadee-ka, everyone! Monday, new recipe! I'm Nin, and I'm cooking. Since I have some tomatoes, today I decided to make a tomato salad with shrimp. And because it's Thai salad, I will add chili, of course. The Thai name would be ยำมะเขือเทศกุ้งสด Are you ready? Let's go! Lime juice, palm sugar, fish sauce, shrimp, green onion, coriander, shallot, garlic, chili, tomatoes. Let's start with vegetables. Cut coriander and green onion about 1-inch pieces. Now tomatoes. By the way, I would like to thank Take Me Home Tomatoes Thailand for sponsoring today's video. They gave me fresh tomato grown in their greenhouse in Chiang Mai and asked me to cook whatever I wanted with it. Link in description. Remove tomato stalks. Cut the big tomato into medium chunks. And remove the green part. And the small ones in half. Now, shallot. Peel it and thinly slice it. Garlic. Smash it. Peel it and finely chop it. And lastly, finely chopped chili. Of the shrimp. As always, remove the skin. Open the back and clean inside. Boil water and add your shrimp. Let it cook for 1 minute. Then, add your shrimp in ice water. That will help to keep the shrimp crunchiness. Make Thai dressing and salad. Add palm sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, and melt your palm sugar. Now add garlic, shallot, chili, and shrimp. Mix it. Add tomatoes. Mix again. Add green onion and coriander. And mix for the last time. As you can see, there is different kind of tomato in this dish. The yellow one is sweet. For me, it's very nice. For the red one, you can have sweet and a little bit sour. And the last one. For me, the last one, they have more texture, more meat, and it's juicy. It's really nice. So, I think tomatoes are really tasty and very fresh. I really like it. And they are going well with Thai dressing and chili and shrimp. It's really nice. And voila, bon appetit! The rain was quite annoying and loud. So I hope will be able to fix it in post. Thanks again to Take Me Home Tomatoes. Go check their website or Facebook. They really do have great and tasty tomatoes. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on the notification bell. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. By the way, I would like to thank Take Me Home Thailand. Take Me Home Tomatoes Thailand. I would like to thank Take Me Home Tomatoes. One more. I would say Take Me Home Thailand Tomato.